Atlantic City approach, Rogue 64 with you at 4,000.
Rogue 64, Atlantic City approach, Atlantic City altimeter
3,500 calibrated airspeed 154. Altimeter's 301. 301.
November 40 Juliet Alpha, contact the tower 120.3.
Outside air is 8.
120.3, 40 Alpha, thank you.
We got 173 knots. True. 9 knot tailwind. My settings are 23, 24. Altimeter is 3006. Didn't change the true airspeed.
November 8632 Yankee, you climb at your discretion, contact Washington Center 127.7.
Washington Center 127.7, 3T Yankee climbing 8.5.
Sierra 4536 Washington Center, roger. Landing seat altimeter 3008.
Airspeed pickup.
Wash American 2008 out of 16 for 15.
American 2008 Washington Center, roger. The Atlantic City altimeter is 3008.
3008 American 2008.
That's 16 gallons. 8 per side. Cruising at 22.
4536
2400 on the RPM.
290 knots.
I'm about 75 rich a peak.
Frontier flight 822, descend and maintain 2000.
2000, Frontier 822.
150. Getting chilly.
Frontier 4636, turn 10 degrees to the left. Vector for time
Air
traffic.
feels good. I got 171 true.
Flight 598, contact Philadelphia approach 128.4.
116 gallons.
Switching, flexion 590.
Autopilot comes
4521,
off.
310. 310 on the nose.
Sorry about that.
Lost an engine, so
4521.
basically, get on the ball, hold my heading, football, trim, power's coming up. Left engine's coming up. Trim's coming up.
Southwest 839 cross, billet at a maintain 1000.
Bill intersection 111000, Southwest 839.
Bricket 4695 will have higher in about 2 minutes. There's a traffic crossing at 17000. A Embraer, 12 o'clock.
Do a simulated feather.
Blocked.
American 2008, contact Philadelphia approach 128.4.
284 American 2008.
Up the good engine.
Brigade 4682 at 17,000.
4682 Washington Center, altimeter at the Atlantic City 3006.
3006.
Up in the good engine. Good engine's my left, so I'm going to identify, verify my right foot's my dead engine. I brought the right back. I already know it's how it's. I'm able to hold 8,005.
5307, leaving 16,000 brakes at 14,300 knots with greater outside.
5307 Washington Center, rail altimeter Atlantic City 3006.
So we got plenty of good airspeed, good on the good engine.
Brickyard
Help the good engine, secure the bad engine.
Maintain 17,000.
And Washington, November 341.
Pretty good.
9,300 for 16,500.
Number 341 Bravo Charlie, Washington Center, roger, altimeter and Atlantic City is 3006.
3006, thank you.
And if we wanted to shut this engine down,
28 Mike Heavy, descending 14,000.
32 Mike Heavy, Washington Center, roger, Atlantic City, altimeter 3006.
3006,
right engine is feathered.
Breaker 4696.
Right.
Correction. Breaker
Secure.
4695. Climb maintain
Little trim.
0.
Level 260.
The left, I got 22. Got my ball. Switch into my main tanks. I'm gonna put my mags on, no fuel pump. Let's see how she restarts here. I'm gonna hold my speed. Basically, we're gonna bring the fixtures up. Props up. Just going to crack the throttle.
Alpha Booster 5307.
And let's see how this does.
Descend maintain 9.
307.
Breaker
Windmilling.
4695. Come to Washington Center. 120.907.
120.907. Breaker 4695. G'day.
As it comes out of feather. A power back to help the good. There's the restart.
Your 4536, contact Freela New York Center, 118.907.
Now what we're going to do is we're going to gently hit
November
the
2 Lima Alpha, you
ball back.
navigating to a specific fix.
Could you repeat for Lima Alpha?
At a reset.
Say that again.
Could
At
you
the
repeat for Lima
reset.
Alpha?
Number 2 Lima Alpha, you're navigating to a specific fix down the road?
Hit the ball
Lima
back.
Alpha, right now we're headed towards Accomack. Mike.
Wave it out.
Victor.
Keep the cowl shut. Cold.
9 Foxtrot Victor, is that where you're landing?
1000 for JMO 15000.
1113 Washington Center, Roger, Dover altimeter
I'll stay on the
3009.
mains.
39 American 1113.
Number 8632 Yankee, Roger, thanks.
Center, good afternoon. American 2502 with you. 9.8, climbing 2000.
You know, they don't care much about me.
Washington Center, Roger.
I'll stay on the mains. Let's demonstrate a power on stall.
Another 166,000.
So I gotta get my ball straight.
American 1113, clear direct SO, cross SO 10,000 at 250.
I'm gonna keep a visual out there. Ball straight. Mags are confirmed on. Gears confirmed up. Cows are shut. Flaps are up.
Qatari 2A Mike, Roger. Cross IROC at 9,000.
Props are up.
Cross IROC at 9,000. Qatari 2A Mike.
Hold this kind of like this. But for my power on stalls, I like to gently start the approach stall speed.
November 32 Yankee, contact Atlantic City approach 124.6.
Atlantic City 24.63 to Yankee. Then right here, I'll bring the power up. I'm on the feet.
Contact Philadelphia approach 128.4.
28-4, Bruce
Hold this up.
307, how to go?
Keep my visual.
Again, 2502, climb into 17,000.
Another 17,000.
My ball's going. And I'll lower the nose. And fly out of it. And let's keep our descent, call Atlantic City. I know that's way rich. Let's do it the old-fashioned way. Let's pull it till it's a little bit rough.
Atlantic City approach 31988, 3500.
You guys see this? This is really low.
Approach point altimeter 3006. 3006.
Now I'm getting rough in my feet. What is my fuel flow? 3.5 gallons per hour on the left and 4.4 on the right. Holy
Copy.
Alright, we'll go. Yeah. I'm at 16 inches and 23. Alright, fly the plane. Where am I going? There's Atlantic City. Let's go home. What else can we play with? or I mess everything up. On heading bug, if I want to take this to a GPSS mode, I push this and it goes from heading to GPS. Listen. You just told me GPSS engaged. I don't know if you guys heard it. If I want to check my barometric pressure, I push that and I adjust it. And if I want to reset my altitude, I just give that a turn to the right. If I want to set my decision height, I push the knob and turn once to the left. Push, turn left says not armed. Then I turn it to the right and set what I want.
Departure North 8, a right turn to 090 up to 2000.
I think I'm Rich at peak. Used to be simple. So let's get a true airspeed. Density altitude 6,400. 65.
030 November, no traffic 0 between you and the airport.
130 about.
30 November, squawk me advise if we can change course.
3 0 0 6.
And departure Cirrus November 246 Bravo Sierra.
Number 246 Bravo Sierra, Atlantic City.
I got 144 true on
through 2,400 for 3,000.
5.8 per side. That's 10, 11.6. Got 11.6. I got it 1, 2, 2, 4.